Rita Cosby on WOR.
One ringy dingy.
800-321-0710.
And now let's go to Adam Thompson, criminal defense and civil law attorney. Adam, you just heard about all these omelets, the one night of sex, she gave her heart, body, and soul. How do you prove stalking versus a romantic interlude?
I don't know. The first thing that came to my mind was that Alec Baldwin movie when he comes in and says, ABC, always be crazy. It sounds like that's what we have here. Always be crazy. This lady's out there. I mean, you have fans out there that stalk celebrities that think they have these relationships with these people, and it's just merely through them stalking the person through tweets and emails, following them, showing up at events that they, just happen to be at, and then her behavior in court just going over the top all day.
Let me ask you a question, Adam. Does it make a difference if they can prove, right now it's her words and they have some emails. They had some contact. He claims they had dinner, I think is the version, but not that there was anything afterwards. Does it, if there can be proof that there was this sort of sexual romantic encounter, does that change the issue of stalking or not stalking?
I don't think it does. I mean, look, lots of people get together, they get into relationships, and then they dissolve them and they break up and they move on. So just take that scenario. You're with someone, you break up, you move on. Then that person doesn't want to move on, and they keep stalking you. At a certain point in time, if you then report it to the authorities that, listen, this person, without my consent, without my desire to continue this, keeps calling me and doing things that rise to the level that they're being harassed, feel threatened, which she obviously did, that's a whole entirely different matter. What happened prior to that doesn't make a difference.
Right, absolutely. Well, that's what I thought, too. It'll be so wild to see where this case goes. Adam, thank you very much for joining us, and we always love having you on the show. Thanks a lot. Adam Thompson, great criminal defense and civil law attorney, talking about the latest in this crazy case. And who would have ever thought, my gosh, that somebody would make Alec Baldwin look sane, feel sorry for Alec Baldwin. He's usually the one screaming and ranting. Remember all these, play with words, all that word games on the planes with American Airlines and all the problems he's had with reporters and everyone else. And now he looks like the normal one. So maybe he owes her a big thank you just for that.